Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Coders. Today we will create an advanced dice simulator using Python. So before starting to code, let's use our dice simulator to get the sense of what we're gonna create. I will run the Python file which we're gonna create on the terminal. So as you can see, all the previous contents has been removed from the terminal, and the first line of the terminal says please enter to roll dice, press enter to roll dice, and to quit rolling enter n. And below it there's a box like structure and which represents dice, and below it inside it there's a number which represents the rolled dice number. So yeah, on the third line it says that do you want to roll a dice? It's asking a question. If I want to press enter, the number changed. As you can see, the number is changing, and if I press n, okay, the program ended and with a message thanks for using dice simulator. So yeah, that's what we're gonna basically create. So let's start coding. This is the same Python program which I created in the previous video of dice simulator. That was a basic one. So I'm gonna just modify that to make it some little advanced, because it is interactively very easy. So the first thing, as I said, was to clear the terminal. So for that I will import OS module, and in the OS module there is system. If we pass CLS to it, it clears the terminal. So that's the point. And I want to display this instruction at each session of the terminal, so I will put it on the top. And the third thing is I want to ask the user, do you want to play or not after rolling. So when he runs, he will get a rolled dice. So yeah, that's what basically this does. So yeah, it's an infinite loop. As I said, the instruction will be printed, number will be calculated and displayed, and again it will ask the user. If he hits enter, then the loop will run again. But I want the loop to run this time again at the top. So means all the previous content should be removed, and I want rolled dice again. So that's why I'm gonna remove all the contents of the terminal again. So yeah, that's what basically does. And I want to format my dice. So for that I will use print. That's it. Yeah, I think I should just format this a bit as well. Yeah, I'll use the pipe. So yeah, that's all about I want to create. Let's try to run this code, run this file. So as you can see, all the previous content has been removed, and I got instruction on first line, and then a roll dice with number on it, and then a question. If I hit enter, then it's rolling again. Yeah, then it's changing. Yes, so if I hit enter, so it's changing. But the one thing that's remaining is an exit message. So I'll print this as well in this print. Thanks for using dice stimulator. Yeah, so if you have watched my previous video, this would have been very easy modifying it. But if you haven't, please check out, because I have how I generate a random number using random.random. I've explained it there. So that's it from this video. Once again, we're gonna check the output. Yeah, if I enter, it's gonna changing. If I enter n, then it stopped with a message thanks for using. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in the next one.